Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com. Let's take a look together at this Bulldog Winch Standard Series Off-Road Synthetic Rope Winch. This Standard Series Recovery Winch is going to let you pull your stuck vehicle out of the mud, snow, water, or a ditch and up steep inclines. This is going to be perfect for your work trucks, Jeeps, and other off-road vehicles. The rated line pull with the single layer of the synthetic rope around the drum is 9,500 pounds static load, and the vehicle recovery capacity is 6,333 pounds. This 5.5 horsepower series wound motor delivers powerful, fast, and safe line pulling. The motor is going to be more powerful, more efficient, and produce more torque than a permanent magnet motor. And the duty cycle on this winch is 2 minutes on, 15 minutes off, and the line pull at 0 pounds has a line speed of 33.5 feet per minute, and at 9,500 pounds a line speed of 7.3 feet per minute. Now this does have an automatic mechanical brake that will hold 100% of the load while minimizing winch creep. And the power unit includes the contactor, has a plastic housing here, and all of the electrical wiring. A wiring kit is sold separately to let you remotely mount the power unit if you need to in your particular situation. The sealed 450 amp contactor transmits power from the vehicle's battery to this winch motor, and it's going to be water and weather resistant to IP68 specifications. Now this does feature a rubber wired or wireless handheld remote. Very comfortable to hold, and it's really nice that this is going to allow you to choose either between the wired or wireless option. If you decide to use this with the wired option, it does include this lead. It's 12 feet long, and you will plug in this rectangular end to the bottom of the remote. And then let me turn this winch here so you can see it onto the side. You'll then plug the round end into the power unit here. So as you can see, that's the plug that this will go right into. But if you decide not to use it, it really does have this nice cap there that's going to protect that plug from moisture and debris. So again, this lead is 12 feet long, so it's going to let you operate the winch from a safe distance. If you choose to use this with the wireless function, you're going to be able to operate this winch from up to 82 feet away. So I do like that feature where you get to choose between the wired or wireless. As you can see here, we do have weather resistant switches that's going to power the load in and out. And this winch does have an all-steel 3-stage planetary gear train with a gear ratio of 218 to 1. So that's going to provide increased drum speed and torque when compared with worm drives and 1 or 2-stage planetary gear trains. Let's take a brief view overhead so I can give you a clear view of our clutch. The free spooling clutch is going to ensure fast rope payout, and it reduces wear on the motor and gearbox. And the gearbox can be rotated 360 degrees, so you can reach the clutch handle no matter where you mount this winch. Now the 3/8 of an inch diameter, 85 foot long HMPE synthetic rope is going to be very strong as steel, yet lightweight and safer to handle. And then at the end is this 3/8 of an inch steel hook with the keeper and nylon hand saver strap. Now this heavy duty 3/4 of an inch thick house fair lead, if you notice here, has a rounded fair lead hole that's going to help prevent friction and damage to the rope. And if you were wondering, the distance between the mounting holes on center is right at 10 inches, and the clear anodized finish is going to do a great job of resisting corrosion. So of course that is included. The durable black powder coated steel body and motor are going to do a great job of resisting corrosion. This is built to be out in the elements, so it's going to hold up really well for you. The Dacrymed plated motor tube is going to resist internal corrosion. The motor is 12 volts DC, and the battery lead length here is 6 feet long. And let's go over some dimensions of this winch just so you have a good idea of its size. So the overall length from end to end, we're pretty close to 21.5 inches long. The width is about 6 5/16 inches wide, and the height from top to bottom about 10 5/8 inches tall. This does have a 4-bolt mounting pattern that measures 10 inches by 4.5 inches. And the weight with the synthetic rope installed is a little under 60 pounds. Instructions are included to guide you through installation and also go over the features of this winch a little more in depth than what we did today. And we do also offer this winch with a wire rope. If you're interested in that instead, we do have that available here at etrailer.com, and also we have this available in other capacities. Well, I think that's going to wrap up our look today. I do hope that our time together has been helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.